If any HP-Compaq laptop dead stops work, this is mainly due to DC socket and their components. We can know this fault by observing blinking at the adapter LED. For any laptop, at first we have to check the DC jack to ground components. In this circuit, this is the circuit of HP V3000 and DV2000. This is the DC socket. This is the grounded components. You should be check these components: C460, EC48, EC10, C458 and also U58 FET. If same fault arrives in HP laptop, following sets are given these components. This is the laptop sets numbers. This is the components. This is the components. DC jack and these components. This is the laptop number. And this is the DV2000 Intel, DV4, HP500, HP-Compaq 2133, 6530, 6531, 6535. If you want this PDF file, we can get from 4shared link. This is the link of 4shared link.